Hey, welcome to All Things Unrelated. So I just want to do a quick video update on LumaFusion. They just provided their version 3.02 about 23 hours ago, according to the App Store. And it has finally answered everyone's LumaFusion prayers and followers that now, in new 3.0, it reads, External Drive Editing. Media is now accessed directly from external drives in the Files Library source on iPads with USB-C and Thunderbolt ports. You can now edit on the timeline without copying media to device storage. This feature is turned on by default but can be turned off in preferences, allowing media to be copied into LumaFusion when external drives are used. So this is actually the really disappointing portion of it that I just found out today. That utilizing an external hard drive with LumaFusion, you can only use it on the newer iPads with a Thunderbolt cable. So all of the people who have LumaFusion, like myself, who have an older generation iPad, like an iPad 7th generation that I'm filming on, are not able to take advantage of this LumaFusion update. Right here, I'm showing you a clip from LumaFusion's support page, and it specifically says that with the release of LumaFusion 3.0, the feature can be used with iPads with USB-C and the Thunderbolt 3 ports only. So that will allow you to then directly edit videos from the solid state drives, which is your external hard drives. Unfortunately, as I have highlighted, it is not possible to implement external drive editing on iPhones or iPads that have Lightning ports. And that is your older version iPads, like the one that I have, which is a 7th generation. I discovered this morning when I was watching another YouTube on how to edit using an external hard drive. And you need to go to Settings and then enable utilizing an external hard drive. So if you do have a newer iPad and you can take advantage of this update, then go to Settings under the LumaFusion app and then go to Preferences and you'll see external hard drive options. I cannot demonstrate that here because I do not have that option. However, I will put a link below on how to utilize an external hard drive using the updated LumaFusion 3.0 and a new iPad. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like, click, and subscribe.